Hey, have you ever watched an English movie, listened to a podcast, or read something in English and you understood every single word? But the moment someone asks you a question, your mind just goes blank. Frustrating, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a step-by-step way to finally start speaking English confidently, even if you have been stuck for months. I know exactly how it feels. Seriously, I've been there. You spend hours listening, watching, learning English, but when it comes to speaking, your mouth just freezes. And here's the thing. It's not because you don't know English. The truth is, speaking is a completely different skill from understanding. Today we're going to talk about why this happens and more importantly, how can you fix it starting today. First, let's talk about skills. Listening and reading, they're passive skills. Your brain just receives information. But speaking, that's active. You train your brain to understand, not to produce. Think about it this way. You can watch a football match and understand everything the commentator says. But that doesn't mean you can play like a pro, right? It is the same with English. Understanding isn't equal to speaking. Second, fear. A lot of people freeze because they're scared of being judged, sounding stupid, making grammar mistakes. Here's the truth. Your problem is not English, it's fear. Fear is what stops your brain from turning knowledge into words. Third, practice. You might watch videos, read books, listen to podcasts, but if you don't speak regularly, your brain never gets used to producing English. Remember this. Understanding grows in silence, speaking grows with practice. Fourth, are you translating from your mother tongue to English in your head before speaking? That's normal, but it causes hesitation, confusions, and delays. You're not speaking English, you are translating your mother tongue. Fifth, environment. Many of us don't have English-speaking friends or daily conversations in English, so your brain has no reason to speak it. Stay silent, and that's why real practice is key. Here's the solution number 1. Talk to yourself. Seriously. Start with 15 to 30 minutes a day. Talk about your day, describe what you see, or narrate your actions. Feels weird at first, but trust me, this is how your brain learns to produce English naturally. Solution number 2. Read books. And I don't mean just understanding the words. When you read, your mind slowly repeats the sentences. You start remembering words naturally. Later, when you speak, your brain finds those words faster. It's like training your speaking muscle silently. And solution number 3. Stop fearing mistakes. Repeat after me. Mistakes are proof that I'm learning. The more you speak, the faster you improve. Nobody became fluent without making mistakes, not even native speakers. Now think about this for a second. English is not just another language, it's a key to opportunities, friendships, travel, career growth, and confidence. Every day you don't speak, you miss a chance to unlock your potential. But here's the amazing part. You already understand English. You're not starting from zero. You just need to train yourself to speak. Take 15 to 30 minutes every day, talk to yourself, read aloud, step into conversation bravely. Fluency is not about perfections. It's about courage, consistency, and action. Start today, speak today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Your future self will thank you. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing this channel.